Welcome to WPMathPub Education Channel. Here we're going to introduce the pmath tag which is entered into shortcode block. So we'll do that shortcode block and then enter the pmath tag. We'll go with a size of 24 and a color of red. And then we'll do our equation. Y equals mx squared plus b. Let's have a look, see what that renders as in our preview. And it doesn't render well at all because we forgot something. We're seeing the actual tag and the equation typed in our markup language, not as an equation. By entering the closing tag, a common mistake when you're manually entering equations with these tags, that can be a problem. So now let's take a view. All right, so now we see we have the equation, but I don't like the equal sign so close to the y and the m. So let's fix that. We do that with the math space, which is a tilde. White space actually doesn't do anything, so I'll just add it to show some separation visually. Let's also add the LaTeX version, which is the other markup language I support now in version 3 of the plugin. So it'll be about the same, but I'm going to change to a blue color and then flag this tag as LaTeX. And the equation, fortunately for us, is the same for this video. LaTeX and pmath native, same equation markup. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Yep, so we have two equations. They are exactly the same. They show the same title over the PNG images. One more thing we can do to demonstrate the flexibility of the pmath tag, I'm going to inject some HTML code. In this case, I'm going to create a paragraph element, and our size is 24, so I'm going to go 24 for our text size. And then I'll enter some text. pmath native example. And for the other line, I will go pmath LaTeX example. And then we'll close our paragraph. And let's see what that looks like. All right, so now we have our example, but sadly, I should have added a little space here where space actually is helpful. So let's try that. Okay, we have equation. When we have text, they're in line with each other using the same font size. That's concluding our pmath tag example, but I thought I'd show you one extra tiddly bit, and that is the pmath syntax. I'm going to click on that and we'll see how fast this page loads. It loaded within 2 seconds, and what we have on this page is every single native and LaTeX markup for math. So x plus y is a command. We can do it in pmath native. We can do it black on yellow in this case with that color. We can do it with latex, and then we get the result. I'm using this as a test page as a developer for the plugin, but also it is a great syntax language for all of the different possible equations. Now, if this was done in real latex, browser, MathJax, MathML markup, there would be quite a heavy load, but instead it loads immediately because each of these images have been rendered in cache on your web server and on mine in this case. So the amount of time it takes to load these equations is minimal. We can check what a big operator looks like just to see an example of something not so similar between pmath native and latex. Similar format, but just agonizingly different. So if you don't know one or the other, you can check the syntax page. And this is Ron Fredericks, and I am biophysicslab.com.